guys, I'm Matt Miranda. I've used SWAT now for over 10 years at a couple of my properties. Always excellent service with these guys. They're always prompt, always courteous, always punctual and very explain everything to a T. I'm going to continue using them, and I would definitely recommend them to anybody that I know.
Do you have high energy bills? SWAT 'em. Spring Woodlands Air Technicians is North Houston's premier high-efficiency air conditioning contractor, serving Spring, the Woodlands, Tomball, and Cypress. From tune-ups, repairs, and full-service replacements, we do it all. Call us today for our $49 AC tune-up. Ask us about our easy financing on all new systems. For reliable service you can trust and appreciate, call SWAT. If you're too hot, you gotta call SWAT.
My name is Sandra Bickle. I've been using SWAT since 2014. Highly recommend them. Great company, great people, easy to talk to, always return calls.